level 1, I introduced the buffalo with a flat ball change to change directions. Some of my students tend to get very tied into this is the only way you can do this, and that's not true at all. Tap dance has very few rules. You can put things together any way you want. So at this point, I introduce changing your directions on your buffalo with an Irish. So instead of doing the step, shuffle, step, flat ball change you might be used to, you would do step, shuffle, hop, step. It's tricky. It takes some work to get the coordination, but it's worth it. We are going to start with a single military time step, starting on the right foot. So you'll do shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. So starting right, you have shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. From here, you are going to do a buffalo to the left side. Step, shuffle, step. Then you're going to do a back Irish. Shuffle, hop, step. Then you're going to do the same thing to the right side. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step. You're going to do it again to the left. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step. Then you're going to do a shuffle, ball change, and a stamp. Okay, this little section is tricky, doing those buffaloes and Irishes together. The coordination on it is a little funny and a lot of people sort of struggle with it. But let's walk through from the beginning what we have so far and put it all together. So you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Let's do that one more time. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp. From here, we're going to do the exact same thing, except starting on the left side. So you'll go shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Buffalo. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Let's do just the second part, that left side again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Buffalo. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay. Let's see if we can put the right side and the left side together. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, stamp. Okay, so there's some funny timing things that happen. You have some places where you leave a nice pause and other places where you don't. So after the military time step, before the buffalo, you're gonna hold a full beat there. So there's a nice pause. After you finish that Buffalo Irish shuffle ball change stamps thing, you're gonna go straight into the second set of military time steps. There is no pause there. Let's walk through it one more time, and I'll give you the counts this time. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6 and 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and a 6 and 7, 8, 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball change,